Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this hairstyle real quick I've going on right now. This is sort of a Viking samurai mixed situation I've got here, because as per my knowledge and the hairstyle that I've seen, samurais were not a huge fan of the braids, whereas Vikings didn't like the ponytails on their heads. So I've got a ponytail going on and I've got some braids going on, so I think it is a mixed type of hairstyle. So anyway, I think it looks really good on my head. I think it really suits me, and the thing about this hairstyle is that it is super easy and super quick to do. I mean, you just need a rubber band, a little bit of braiding skills, and a comb, and that's it. And this is how it looks. And the reason why this ponytail is giving me the samurai look is because it is on the top of my head, fairly on the crown. I mean, this is where the samurai used to tie their ponytails, right? And then I've got a braid going on here behind my ear, if you can see that, and then another braid going on here. So I took the hair for this braid from the side of my ear and then tucked this braid behind my ear, so it gives me that sort of asymmetric look. And I really think that the asymmetricity is what making this hairstyle much more natural and realistic, sort of. And then I've got a puff over my head, if you can notice that. See? Yeah. So I really think that overall this hairstyle looks really cool, and I really think that you should try this hairstyle at your home if you got long hair. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I've got some more hair related videos over my channel, and also I post 2 or 3 times a week. See you guys next time.